Just mix lime with charcoal and you'll be surprised by the result. Since I started using this mixture, I've never bought it from the store again. For this simple tip, we're gonna need a piece of charcoal. It needs to be new. It can't have been used before, okay? So take the piece of charcoal and put in a plastic bag. Then tie it very well and close it. Okay, once this done, let's crush it with the help of some object. Let's do this because we're only gonna need the charcoal dust. I'm sure that when you learn this tip, you'll always make it at home. It's pretty easy and I bet it can be very useful. So after crushing it very well, make a cut at the bottom of the bag and then use a sieve to completely extract this charcoal dust. Do exactly as I'm doing here in order to get the best results. This dust is worth gold. This tip is widely used in the countryside and farms, since in these areas access to chemicals is very limited. I'm sure you'll be surprised. And now to finish, we're gonna need a lime. Make sure to use lime instead of lemon, as it is more acidic, which will be better for this hack. So, cut the lime in half. And with the help of a juicer, squeeze all its juice into the container. Once this done, just mix until homogeneous. And at this point, I imagine you're curious, wondering what this is for. So guys, with just these two ingredients, you have a powerful aluminum cleaner and polisher. That's right. I bet everyone has dirty burned pots at home, with some stains that won't go away easily. So here's the solution for this. Just apply some of the mixture directly to the pot, and then scrub it with a sponge. This mixture is so potent that you won't need to scrub hard. Charcoal is extremely abrasive, which helps remove dirt and give shine to all your pots. Lime, on the other hand, it's one of the main cleaning elements, especially when it comes to remove grease from pans. And you can apply it on any aluminum and metal pieces at home. It's gonna totally remove any type of stains and give an incredible shine. Just look at this impressive result. So don't forget to try this at home. I'm sure this can help you a lot in your daily life. It's very worthwhile because besides being easy to make, it's pretty cheap and you no longer spend money on expensive products. So that was today's tip. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.